Hello and welcome to this comprehensive guide where you'll learn how to implement PubGuru header bidding ads on your WordPress website using the Advanced Ads plugin. For this demo, we'll be using Monetize More tags, also known as PubGuru tags. During the setup phase, your Monetize More ad optimization specialist will provide you with a set of instructions divided into two essential parts. The first part contains a piece of JavaScript code, which should be placed either in the header or at the bottom of the body section of your website. This script is responsible for loading PubGuru on your site. Implementing this script in the head section results in better ad RPMs, driving higher revenue. For optimal ad performance, it is recommended to place the script in the head section. Place the script in the body section only if page speed is your top priority. To maintain smooth ad-serving functionality and prevent issues with integrated features, ensure the script is neither cached nor minified after deployment. The second part includes individual ad unit tags, which need to be placed in specific locations within the body section of your site where you want the ads to appear. The great thing about advanced ads is that it makes implementing these tags easy, with no need to deal with complex WordPress PHP templates. To effectively use advanced ads, you need to understand three main concepts. The first concept is ads. These act as containers for the tags you received. You'll need to create a new ad for each tag in your setup. Next, we have placements. These are predefined positions in your theme where ads can be displayed. Once you create an ad, you must assign it to a placement for it to appear on your website. The third key concept is conditions. These rules limit ad delivery to specific pages and users. They define where and to whom an ad should be shown, based on factors like the page type and the visitor's device. Now that you're familiar with these concepts, we can move on to creating our ad setup. Let's first demo how to implement the PubGuru JavaScript code in either the header or body section. Let's start by copying the script. Then navigate to the Ads Overview page and click on Create a New Ad. Once on the Ad Edit page, paste the script into the provided field. Don't forget to give the ad a descriptive name before clicking on Publish. Next, go to the Placement Overview page and click New Placement. A pop-up will appear with several placement options. To add the script to your site's head section, select Header Code Placement. If you want it in the body section, choose Footer Code Placement. After selecting the placement type, give it a descriptive name, then finally use the drop-down to assign the ad containing the script to this placement. Once you click Save, the script will be successfully injected into the selected section. Now let's begin implementing the ad unit tags in the body section. Each tag needs to be set up as an ad and assigned to a placement. Just like with the script, copy each tag and create a new ad for it. For instance, let's copy the tag from the first desktop ad unit and use it to create a new ad in Advanced Ads. You need to repeat this process for all the tags. Once all the ads are ready, we can implement the ads using the available placements in Advanced Ads. Advanced Ads provides various placements for injecting ads on your site. The right placement depends on where you want the ad to appear. Since most website traffic typically focuses on post content, let's look at three key placements for injecting ads into your posts. The first placement is before content, which places the ad right before the post or page content, usually after the header or featured image and before the first paragraph. This location can vary by template, so testing is recommended. The before content placement is best suited for ads such as the leaderboard ad unit. Next is the after content placement, which places the ad at the very end of the content, directly after the last element. This placement is ideal for ad units designed to appear at the bottom of the page, such as this desktop ad unit. Finally, let's see how to implement ads within the content of posts and pages, as shown in this example. You can use the post content placement for this purpose. By default, ads are inserted after the first paragraph. To target a different paragraph, simply adjust the number in the configuration field. If you want to target elements other than paragraphs, open the drop-down menu and select the desired HTML element, such as headings, images, or others. For complex layouts, you can use the Custom option to target specific elements. Start by selecting Custom from the drop-down and clicking Select Position. This opens a preview of your latest post in the front-end view. Hover over different areas, and the targeted section will be highlighted in blue. Click the highlighted area to set the ad's position. Advanced ads will automatically generate the correct XPath to target the selected element. Simply save the placement to apply the changes. If you want an ad to appear under specific circumstances, like on certain pages, posts, or devices, use targeting conditions. To set this up, open the Ads Edit page, scroll to the Conditions section, and select a condition from the drop-downs. For example, to show an ad on a specific page, choose the display condition Specific Pages, begin typing the page or post title, and select it from the suggestions. To exclude the page instead, just change the operator from is to is not. To display an ad exclusively on mobile or desktop, use the visitor condition Device, then choose the type of device you want to target. After setting all conditions, click Update to save your changes. By following these steps, you can easily implement PubGuru ads on your site. Before going live, we recommend deploying the ads on test pages and sharing them with the Monetize More ad optimization team for review. You can either limit ad delivery to specific pages using the conditions explained earlier, or use the WP Staging plugin to set up a staging site and deploy the ads there first.